Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's very special video for YouTubers. If you're running a YouTube channel, how you can find out if somebody using your video on their YouTube channel as their own contact. I will walk through step by step how you can find out, how you can request to take a video down, and any other solution is available. Because I have found mine couple of video was used already on other channels. They were using 100% my voice, my video as their own contact without notifying to me. I have a takedown couple already, but I have a couple more go. I decided to make a video so anybody running the same situation, they can follow my instructions and they can request to take down video. Before we jump to that section, I highly recommended anybody watching my video, if you guys want to use my video contact, my video on your YouTube channel, please contact it to me. There's a lot of way to contact. I have my email account and about section. You can also comment on my any video, like which video you want to use. We can decide, we will talk about it. But without notifying real owner using their video is not the right thing. I'm not talking about only by myself. If you try to use anybody else's video on your YouTube channel, please talk to those guys, email, comment, and find solution before you upload a video, because that is kind of you are stealing their work, their hard work, and putting on your YouTube channel or on your other channel. So now let's walk through step by step, and I will take you on my computer screen and see what we can do. So I am on my computer right now. We are recording screen. It doesn't matter what computer, MacBook, PC, you can do on any computer. So first we have to go to our YouTube channel. Like I have my YouTube channel open already. So at your YouTube channel, if you're not logged in, you have to log in. Then you have to select your channel. You have to right click on your YouTube channel logo. Then you have to go to YouTube Studio. On your YouTube Studio, left hand side, you go all the way here. It says see and copyright. You select on it. It will show you all your video are copied on their other channels. Like say over here, I have my two channels, or this guy, they request me to use my video, so I have a give him requested. Like say even this this channel have my 100% video, they request to me, we have a deal with this, so I let them to use it. Same here. So but I have a take down couple videos already. Once you take action, that section, that video will be gone. Like say I'm going to take action on this one. So it says how to add a YouTube story, and it have a landlord crazy funny group. They're using 90% of my video. So first I'm going to show you my original video, then we will go to this one, how he have used. So I will go to here, we're gonna go to YouTube channel. I'm going to open my original, because you have to make sure whatever you're talking about, that's real and you're not making anything. So for that one, we have to go to our YouTube channel. I will go to my video section, and that's all my videos. I have to find out my video. Let me see if I can find how to story on. Let's see if we can find. Okay, here we go. That's my video. I have uploaded 7 months ago. If I click, let's see what it.
If you're at home thinking about your financial plan, so are we. Prudential helps 1 in 7.
The story feature is the same like we. If you go to you learn how to get a story. Okay. Learn how to get a story feature on your YouTube channel. If you go to, let's start from here. Guys, in this video, hey guys, in this video we will learn how to get a story feature on your YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, especially on smart device, you will see there's a lot of channel have a story feature already. Okay, we don't need to watch all video, but you can see I have uploaded on November 16, 2019. Now you will go back, close this one, go back here. So it says landlord crazy group funny. I have that video. We're going to open and watch that video to make sure that's having my contact. As you can see, somehow they have their some intro or whatever. You're gonna pass their intro. I'm gonna go. Okay, here. If you look at here, that my video start from here. That's why it says 90%. Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to get a story feature on your YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, especially on smart device, you will see there's a lot of channel have a story feature already. Okay, that's done. So landlord crazy funny group. So I'm not sure whoever have only 60 views, but no matter what, he used my video without notifying me. So that's not right. So I'm going to take a action. So I'm going to back. We are going to in the same section copyright. If you go all the way back here it says 90% of their video. Then we go here, it says request removal. You can do contact channel. You can also move to archive, like you can remove by yourself, whatever. But I'm going to take action, request video removal. We click on it. So here we have all the information we have to fill. It says affected party, myself, my company, organization is myself, copyright owner, it's my name, whoever your channel name. So here relationship with the guy who have a whoever channel uploader, I have a none. Country, I'm in USA. So whatever your country, you can put a country, phone number, street address, primary email. I'm going to skip because you have to put this whole information. So I have filled all my information. We have to fill a phone number. We have to fill our house address, whatever your business address. Then we have a couple option over here. You can give a notice for 7 days. You can have a standard request of removal, like say, in this case, he have only 60 views. I'm not worried about it. He still took my some viewers or whatever. He used my contact. I can be really rude, but I'm not. I have most of the video take down with a 7-day notice. That means I'm going to give him 7 days. So between 7 days, he or she have to remove my video. If not, then YouTube going to give them a copyright strike or something. But if you do the standard request removal, then they're gonna be remove video right away and gonna give them to a copyright strike. So there's probably other solution, and this section I have only this one. I'm going to give them 7 days. I'm going to I confirm that all the information are correct, and we have to electronic sign here. You have to sign and submit. So you done. You already a request to removal. So a request is already gone to this person, and well, take a couple maybe days. Then we will come back. You can also go see I have a removal request here already. So in progress, you can say schedule removal July 5th. So this one gonna take a couple days because it's 90%. If you have your video is matching 100%, they're gonna take it right away, no problem. You have a schedule or whatever they're gonna send me, because I have uploaded I have done other videos, and they take couple minutes, and they just say in progress, and suddenly they say done and disappear. So matches, you can also have if you have a send any message archive, you can do a lot of things over here, but that's the best way to deal with it. So I was also talking about if anybody willing to use or want to use my contact, there's really simple things to do. You can comment on my any video, then I will decide if I'm going to let you use my contact or not. I'm not talking about by myself. You are using anybody else's video, please contact to the real owner whoever have created their video, talk to it, deal with it, see how it's gonna work. You can comment on their any video, or we can go to an about section. As you can see on about section, I have a most of information here. You can contact as in my email. You're gonna contact me on my Facebook page. You can also contact Instagram, Twitter. There's a lot of way. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.